how many competitions you participated and how many you win?
Overall competition we have participated in is around 10 competition, and out of 10 competitions we have won total 8 competitions and hackathons.
Bitflare team, you might have faced a few challenges during this event. Can you brief about those challenges?
Yes, we actually did face a lot of problems initially when we started participating in hackathons, and the major problem I thought was explaining your problem statement to the judges, what exactly you are doing and what exactly you are trying to solve.
There were many participants in that room, in that competition, who came across district, across state, with so many different ideas, different problem statements.
Hello friends, welcome to today's podcast of Keystone School of Engineering. I'm having with me our second year engineering student team, Bitflare. And topic of today's podcast is winning secrets of hackathon competitions. I would like to welcome Adnan, Aryan, Akib and Gloria, the members of Bitflare, and they win many competitions. First question I would like to ask to you people that how many competitions you participated and how many you win?
So the overall competition we have participated in is around 10 competition, and out of 10 competitions we have won total 8 competitions and hackathons.
Oh, great. This is a proud moment and proud achievement for Keystone School of Engineering, all of us. I want to ask you one question that when you started participating in hackathon and what inspired you to participate in hackathons?
Yes, as you have informed us about various hackathon, also you have explained us about engineering, that we should gain a practical knowledge, also academic knowledge. So from there we got an idea to how to be a part of everything. Then we got added into a student activity cell, and that time onwards we got inspiration from the flyers coming continuously that inspired us to take part in it.
Yeah. So it means that from the various posts that have been posted in the student activity cell, you got to know about the different competitions and the achievements of your seniors.
Yes, sir.
And that is the real inspiration for you people.
Yes.
Okay. So my second question is that how you formed the team of these 4 people?
So it was basically the Adnan who formed this group. Actually, Adnan prepared this plan way before. He knew all the strength between us. Like, I'm good at communicating, he's good at presentation, Aryan is good at hardware and software. So by that strength, he collected, he brought us together and he formed the team.
Yeah. Adnan, winning 8 competitions out of 10 is really a great and remarkable achievement. I want to ask you one thing that what guidance you and support you received at Keystone?
Yes, sir, that's a wonderful question. Huge thanks to Keystone family, Soman sir, our director, Principal Kadam sir, our HOD Sagar sir of Computer Department, Amreen ma'am, HOD of AIDS Department, Meena Kadam ma'am, Educational Dean,
Student activity, Dean Student
Dean.
Activity.
Then Suvarna Phule ma'am and Rajeshwari ma'am, our project guide, helped us a lot and inspired us and guided us to take participation in this hackathons and how to win this. They gave us a proper strategy and a proper guidelines, a roadmap to our whole team, and they guided us.
Okay. So in all, you received the support and guidance from many
Yes.
teachers over here. Your guide also, project
Yes.
guide also means your subject teacher,
Yes.
student activity, dean student activity
Yes,
cell,
sir.
and your heads also.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Well, Aryan, can you tell me that you all these 8 competitions or 10 competitions you participate, out of which 8 you win? Have you participated with single problem statement or there were different problem statement?
No, actually, we identified 2 different problem statements in our daily life. First was related to a healthcare industry. We call it physiotherapy. So basically, what happens in it is the patient or the patient basically has to go to the doctor for physiotherapy, and it can be a far distance to go, and it can be difficult. So we try to solve that using automating the physiotherapy clinic, and we tried to build the web page and application for the patients to help them through internet. And the second problem statement which we built afterwards and thought about it is a project called Switchify. Now, basically, the problem behind it is what happens in when we renovate our homes, or when we try to renovate our offices or colleges. We try that it should be an automatic system. For example, fans and lights should be automatic and they should be smart. But the costing of it is a lot when we go to the market. And if you try to take a quotation, our whole team did that, and it costs a lot. For example, for a 2 BHK, if you want to automate your home, you have to spend more than 70 to 80,000, and that's a lot for just devices. Also, another problem behind it is that the old devices, you have to throw them; they won't be recycled, as all the new technologies won't recycle parts, but they build new. So we thought, why not just automate the already existing devices and help people to spend less but use more smart things, automate India, and help all the people in India who want to achieve their small dreams of having an automatic home or automated smart homes, or also help the people in offices, corporates, hospitals to have the AI modules in their devices, for example, on and off, scheduling scenarios, etc. Yes, this was our project called Switching.
Yeah, great. Akib and Gloria, I want to ask you one thing, that what were your feelings when you participated first time in hackathon?
So, sir, it was our first time, and we were very excited, but at the same time, we were so nervous. And
So basically, it was a first time. So everything we learned from that first experience. The pitching was first time. Team coordination was first time. So everything together was a bit pressurizing for us. But from the first experience, we learned so many things: the team coordination, time management, how to pitch, how to convey our ideas, how to convince the judge. So overall, it was nervousing, exciting, and also very helpful to learn.
It might be happened that you all were nervous and you motivated each other.
Yes,
yes,
sir.
sir.
Now I'll move to Adnan. Adnan, tell me, have you decided any strategies or made any planning after the first hackathon?
Yes, sir. The first hackathon itself was in Keystone, the Ideathon hackathon. So from in that we didn't succeeded. So from that hackathon we have gained so much things, like our whole team sat and researched on that. Why didn't we succeeded in our first hackathon? So after researching and executing all the things, we learned that we have to distribute our work in a team with equal work and planning. So on the basis of first hackathon, we distributed our work like execution, planning, and pitching, etc. Thank you.
No. Good. Bitflare team, you might have faced a few challenges during this event. Can you brief about those challenges?
Yes, sir. We actually did face a lot of problems initially when we started participating in hackathons. And the major problem I thought was explaining your problem statement to the judges, what exactly you are doing and what exactly you are trying to solve. And you should be able to tell them clearly what your problem statement is, was the one of the biggest challenge I think we faced.
Also, sir, there were many participants in that room, in that competition, who came across district, across state, with so many different ideas, different problem statement, that made us bit nervous, and our confidence was triggered.
So, sir, as you mentioned, the challenges. So, the main big challenge was time management. In every hackathon, they used to give us a time limit. For example, like 7 minutes and 10 minutes. We have to compress our pitch in that time limit, and without compromising in our pitch, we have to deliver it to the judges. And that was our biggest challenges.
And so one of the challenges was at the time of presentation, we were used to be nervous. It was, I think, for myself, it was a bit challenging for me.
Adnan, can you tell me about your future participations in various hackathons?
So it's a very good question, sir. Like our future participation, we are aiming for SIH Smart India Hackathon in this upcoming years, and many international hackathons also take places, like in Google, Nvidia, Microsoft. We are also aiming for that big opportunity level hackathons. Our future plan is to participate and win in SIH Smart India Hackathon in upcoming years, and other big hackathons like Google, Microsoft, Nvidia. And our aim and goal is to win this hackathon, and we are preparing for it. Thank you, sir.
Very good. I aims definitely you will achieve it. You may be knowing that one of the guy from Pune is the Google Hackathon winner this year.
Yes, sir.
So next time, if you people will become the winner from Pune, so second time Pune will win Google Hackathon, and keep this aim to win such a hackathons.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Gloria, we discussed many things. One thing I want to discuss with you, that what feedback you received from juries and judges.
So basically, sir, our idea was appreciated all over the competition. We have participated. At the same time, we got some suggestion and guidings from our juries. That was how to build our product into a startup, and also the biggest advice we have got from all the competitions we have participated yet is marketing. How we should market our product, how to build it in a startup. So yeah, that guidance was so much golden for us.
So some of the suggestions related with analyzing the market
Yes, sir.
and converting your product into a startup, and later on marketing different strategies for marketing the product.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It was so much about how to bring our product into a practice, how to bring a product into a market, and all the competitions around.
So are you going to convert your product into a startup?
Yes, sir. We are planning to bring it into a startup. So we are training ourselves better, and all the things which are needed to build a startup, we are working on it.
Okay. So definitely, when this thought come to your mind, it is a very good thing. And our innovation and incubation cell and Dean Innovation Incubation Cell, Professor Sharwari, she will help you, and you will get all type of support at Keystone. So all the best for your startup.
Thank you, sir.
So winners of 8 competition, what you will say to other students?
So a small advice from me is that if you want to participate in such hackathons, or if you're thinking about participating in such hackathons, first of all, though you don't need to be fully ready. You should start participating. You don't need to be fully ready. No one is fully 100% ready. We were not ready for our first hackathon, but we started participating. We learned things from our experience and the participation. So you don't need everything for your project to be built. You can build it slowly after participations, and after different levels you will add more things. You don't need a full-fledged product ready, a market ready product to just participate, but you can build that product after such participations in many competitions, and that will help you a lot to bring more confidence in yourself, bring communication skills, marketing skills, everything you will learn after participation. You don't have to have it in yourself before it. So just a small advice, that start participating, you will get everything you want, you can achieve what you want, and you can build it later on.
Yes, also continuing with Aryan, I want to advise people who are just beginning this journey. First thing is rely on your ideas, work on it, and take a step forward. Just don't stuck in a thinking phase. Come up, take part, learn from it, and it is the different thing, winning and losing. After losing or after winning, we gain so many knowledge. So my advice is to just come up and take part, learn things, and build your product.
Very good. As a principal, I appreciate your thought. Well, Adnan, what transformation you observed in yourself before participating in such a hackathons and after participating all these events?
So, sir, before participating, the main problem was time management, improper pitching, nervousness. After participating in all these hackathons, I learned that how to manage your time, how to pitch your idea perfectly to the judges, and how to communicate with the jury members. And the main thing I learned from it, that there is no losing. There's always winning or learning. Thank you.
Yeah, very good thought. So, students, we can end up this podcast with the thought what Team Bitflare believes in, that there is no losing, there is either winning the competition or learning from the competition. I wish that more such teams will come and participate in different hackathons, and very soon we can see many such winners in national and international hackathons from Keystone School of Engineering. So I would like to request all of you that for more such informative videos and more such winners, achievers and their information, please subscribe our channel Keystone Viral Verse. Thank you very much for joining today.